with a cha-cha tutorial that I hope will be a little helpful for you if you do any of the Zumba classes or any classes that have to do with dancing and that involve cha-cha. You're going to shift the weight to the foot that is leading. So we're going to start with the right foot. So you put the weight on that foot and then we switch it to the left. So watch. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it sideways so that you see it. And the reason why I'm lifting the foot is because I find it easy when you're learning the step to kind of know where the weight is. Once you have it, then you let it go smoothly. So I'll show you. So you go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. It's almost like a rocking motion. When you do it smooth, this is how it would look without lifting the foot. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So you kind of shift the weight, but you don't lift the foot from the floor. All right. So here we go. Let's do it one more time before we get into those turns. 1, and you go back, and 2. Now you switch to the left. 3, and you go back, and 4. And now you bring the left back, 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Bring back the right, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. I hope that was helpful. You can rewind it and watch it as many times as you need to. Let's practice the pivot. All right. So same thing, but watch when you're turning. So it's 1 and 2. On 3, you're going with the left, but you're turning right. And guess what? When you go the first cha-cha, right, without the pivot, you go 1 and 2, 3, 4, which is when you're doing the pivot turn. And you start with the left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. So it's the same thing when you do the pivot. Watch. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now I'm starting with my left. 5 and 6, and I throw the right, 7, and I turn in 8. When you do the pivot turn, it's very important that you align that knee with the foot and the hip so that you don't strain your knees, okay? So let's do that again. And then we'll practice with the left foot. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. I will do it this way so that you do the turn from a different angle. Ready? So 1 and 2, turn to your right. Dun, 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 and turn to your left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Go 5 with the left, turn left and 8. One more time. Cha-cha-cha and turn. Cha-cha-cha and turn. So you turn to the right, but you're pivoting, even though you're pivoting on the right, but you're bringing the left over. 1 and 2. You bring the left, no, you're pivoting on the left. What am I saying? You're pivoting on the left, and you're turning on your right. All right. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 tutorial. I hope this helps with your cha-cha steps. You just have to practice. But it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And if you sing that in your head while you're doing the step, you should be okay. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Belly dance, I think it'll be. Bye-bye.